I'm Cassandra Caverhill, and this is my poem, Pandemic Haircuts. I'm certainly no salon apprentice, yet when I weld Norelco's Multi-Groom 5000, I'm adept as my mother was, standing at her station trimming, her belly big with me. That you'll submit to being my model still surprises, but you're antsy when strands fan along your neck like ghost fingers tickling. From 16 millimeter to 12 millimeter to 9, gradually I let the guard down while you sit tall in boxer briefs, eyes closed as I circle. Your tinsel patch is bigger than it was before your mom got cancer. I wipe clumps from your shoulder blades, and you say the sensations like sandpaper rubbing skin. Ask me to leave it. Somehow, I always catch the mole at your nape, hidden in your hairline, even though you tell me careful with a raw-edged razor. How easy it is to elicit pain with a button's press, to shape the bend where your head bows low. Love's greatest fallacy will always be that our safeguards won't give way. The dustpan brims with what's been shorn and swept while you shower. 2 months growth, 2 months since we drove cross country for our last chance to be with your mother in this lifetime. And I want to preserve it all. Keep your locks the way my mother keeps my childhood ponytail, secure in a Ziploc baggie, nestled in a chest with our family treasures.